Assignment, I have chosen a mixer grinder for disassembly. Working principle of the mixer grinder is that the universal motor converts the electricity into mechanical energy. The coil placed in the magnetic field inside the motor experiences a magnetic torque which causes it to rotate. The blades attached to the jar, which is attached to this coupler, in turn mixes and grinds the ingredients inside. Now I am going to show you that it is in a working condition. As you can see, it is working properly. Now is the time to look inside this mixer grinder. I have the main cord which supplies the AC current, the rubber fittings, the circuit breaker which breaks the circuit when the motor gets overloaded. There is a reset button to push on the outside. You can also see there is a controller, also known as the rotor switch. It has 3 speeds: slow, medium as well as fast. Main part consists of the motor. The motor has a fan which regulates the airflow. We can see it has copper windings. It consists of the black armature made up of iron. The motor itself is made up of aluminium. It has a shaft about which it rotates. The copper coil are the ones which produces magnetic field for the rotation. Then we have bearings, carbon brush as well as the commutator inside them. The entire motor fits upon the rubber supports for gripping. The grinder itself is completely made up of plastic. The wires are made up of copper which are properly insulated. At the top we have the plastic coupler which on rotating rotates the coil, which in turns rotates these blades at a very high speed, churning the ingredients. There are air vents at the side as well as on the bottom to regulate the airflow in case the motor gets overheated. Lastly, about these connections, we have the main cable which splits into the red phase wire as well as the neutral wire. There is no earth wire in this model. The black wire connects into one connection of the circuit breaker. The other terminal is connected directly to the motor. The rotor switch, as it has 3 speeds, so it has 3 connections altogether consisting of the yellow, red and the white switch, which also, in order to rotate the coil, is connected directly to it. Now, after showing all the inner parts as well as the connections, we will now reassemble this model and check whether it is working properly or not. After reattaching the lower part, let us check. We have successfully made our appliance work before as well as after the disassembly.